name's Melissa, and today we're going to be talking about Fannie Mae Homepath Properties. So first, let's talk about what Fannie Mae is. Fannie Mae, or the Federal National Mortgage Association, was founded in 1938 by Congress, and it was during the Great Depression as part of the New Deal. The hope was that they would help stimulate the housing market by making mortgages available to middle and low-income households. So it does not originate mortgages to borrowers, but it purchases and guarantees them via the secondary mortgage market. They never really worked directly with consumers, but at the height of the real estate crash in 2008, they had about 162,000 properties, and so suddenly they became a pretty big player in the primary market. Well, this means that the home was foreclosed on, or it was a deed in lieu, where the homeowner willingly gives the home back to the mortgage lender. So after they get these properties back, Fannie Mae wants to sell them as quickly as possible, as close to market value as possible. And they prefer to sell properties to people that are going to be owner-occupants, aka living in the home as their primary residence. So they have this thing called the First Look program. Now, the First Look program is the first 20 days a property is going to be listed on the homepath.com website. For Nevada, it's going to be 30 days. But these properties then have a countdown clock on the website, and then after that, investors can submit. But first, they want owner-occupants to have the priority. To be an owner-occupant, this has to be your primary residence 60 days after you close, and maintain that as your primary residence for 1 full year. And you're required to sign an owner-occupant certification in addition to the real estate contract. An investor is going to be anybody that's using a trust, setting up a vacation or a second part-time home, or purchasing this home for a family member or a friend. One of the advantages is there's no mortgage insurance mandates, even if you're putting down as little as 3%. And Fannie Mae will pay up to 3% of closing costs, which is about an average of $5,000, for first-time homebuyers that successfully complete their online home ownership training class. And the class explains the fundamentals of buying, owning, and maintaining a home. The Homepath program maintains and minimally upgrades properties, but you should know they're being sold as is. In order to obtain a loan that is backed by Fannie Mae, you have to go through an approved lender. Mortgages purchased and guaranteed by Fannie Mae are called conforming loans, which typically have lower interest rates than non-conforming or jumbo loans. And Fannie Mae doesn't directly sell them, they work with realtors who list them, and you can check out all of those properties at homepath.com. They have photos and descriptions of the properties, and on the website you can set parameters for the number of bedrooms, price point, etc. No inspections are required for these Homepath properties, but purchasers are given a 10-day inspection window after they accept the offer. Generally, you're going to need a 660 credit score in order to qualify for Homepath financing. One thing to consider is that Homepath financing comes with an interest rate that runs about 1/4 to 1/2% higher than a conventional loan does. You don't have to use Fannie Mae's select title, settlement, or escrow companies, and they won't accept offers contingent upon the sale of your house. Some other contingencies might work, but it's on a case-by-case basis. Also, if Fannie Mae gets more than one offer, they might ask you to submit another offer, your highest and best, by a set date and time, but they're not obligated to accept any offer. So, if you found this helpful, you're in the Chicagoland area and you're looking for a realtor and you want to get pre-approved, shoot me an email, melissa@cobblestonerealtygroup.com. And this is really important because getting pre-qualified really helps save a lot of time in the process, and you don't fall in love with a home that you won't be able to have. So, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the bell.